What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy, A Shot by Fred. Listen, man, I am in the heart of my hometown right now, and listen, I got a two-point banger for you guys, man. I'm literally about to hit y'all today with the video. You see the title of the video, linking up with my pops, and I'm about to introduce my pops to the camera, to the fam. We got the truck right here. We got the boat hooked up. Look, we're about to get on this water, all right? And I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna show you guys the video. If you guys don't know, let me go ahead and be the first to tell you that fishing is my livelihood, all right? And guys, I've been fishing since I've been knee-high to a grasshopper, all right? I mean, when I was a kid, I'm talking about a baby, before I can even walk, crawl, any of that, I was sitting on my pop's lap and he would be reeling in a fish and he'll put my hands on the reel and we'd be getting it like that. So fishing has always been like something near and dear to my heart. And yeah, man, it's what I love to do. We're in the country right now. You hear the birds. It's a good feeling being back home, man. And yeah, so we're gonna have a good time. He about to change. And it's funny how things work out, because me and my pops didn't really have the best relationship as I was growing up. And you know, me doing therapy, doing some soul searching on my spiritual journey and on my healing journey, here we are again, man. So for that reason alone, like the video, all right? If you're new to the channel, welcome. Strap your seatbelt on, because this is your captain, all right? And yeah, man, so we got the boat hooked up. We're finna get ready to go. And like I said, hope y'all enjoy the video. So it's been a minute since I had a beer, man, and it's necessary and I needed it. Today, I needed it, bruh. All right, let's get it. We done made it, man. Turn this air down. The air be blasting, bro. Some light, some light. Some light. You know I do this, baby. I don't know if y'all can still hear me or not. Kind of far.